Ben Cartwright. Now, that's blown and injected Commodore. This is your Commodore. What's the license plate?
Sus VN.
What's so sus about it? Has that engine got a bit of history about it?
No, well actually, yeah. We put it in the other night. It's got 400 and something thousand Ks on it, so we'll see how long it lasts, or we'll see how it goes.
All right, folks, we're going to take bets on how long a 400,000 kilometre, what was it, VP motor?
Yep, that's the one.
400,000 K VP. Did you change the oil?
Oh, definitely.
All right, he's going to let it all come out under the bottom, I think, folks. You want to see Sus VN have a bit of a go at trying to blow this thing up? Come on, this guy wants to hear you guys, please. You want to see it go?
Make your words known, let them know about it. We want action, we want attraction, we want smoke, we want fire. 400,000 K Commodore. Don't hold a lot of faith.
Hey.
Jakey, hold it in.
Well, at the moment there, he's trying to get it to do a little bit of smoke. At the moment there, I reckon Granny could do better with a roller skates. But anyway, he's starting to find a little bit of smoke there. Trying out a little turtle crawl. Must keep the car moving, because what the judges are looking for is instantaneous smoke. Volume of smoke, quantity of smoke, plus also crowd reaction and driver control. They're the main things that we're looking for. Comes to a stationary, that will cost him points. He turns around and works away. Gets himself around. Tries to go out. He's only getting a little surface fly on it. He's not actually getting the volume. He's round the car to move it a little bit too quick. Now he's got to keep it going in the turtle walk. Do a crawl. He's not doing much with it at all.
He's giving it a fair flogging, mate. It's a fair flog. At the moment, I wouldn't... Oh, there we go, that's why. Now the arms are in the air from the crowd. Starting to see the crowd work back to the ground. All right, now, what's he going to do now, Ben?
Oh, we got the double banger on.
And the fire, too, and the fire!
Oh, must be on your side there, you can see it there.
Yeah, that's where the rod came out. No, I don't know whether it's a rod, it's just a lot of smoke. A lot of flame. Big Ben gets the helmet off. Look at him, he's happy. There's all his mates out here in the grandstand. Is there a whole group of his mates in a group over there? Because they're all just punching the air for him.
That's all rent a crowd for him, mate. He needed them there. He